Here's the question. If you send someone an email and they respond back and you respond back and they say thank you and you responded back in some affirmative way, just stop. There's no reason to keep going. I sent this email out between these two Google accounts. I'm open on Friday to come help you do what you need done. Yes, please come help me, they responded back. I said, great, I will see you tomorrow at noon. And they come back and say, thank you, see you then. Stop. There is no reason to say thank you. There's no reason to confirm their message. They know that you're coming. They know that you're going to do what they ask you to do. Whatever the conversation is, just stop. There's no reason to continue the conversation at this point unless there's more information you need, unless there's more information you want them to know about. But you don't need to be gratuitous or appreciative any further. You're done. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope these ideas are helpful for you.